This is my little political humor for today. It's a humor, I don't take it serious, but it got some wisdom in it. You know, many years ago, a couple of years ago, in the time of Obama, Osama bin Laden was killed in Pakistan by Obama bin Biden. See how the names rhyme, huh? Obama bin Biden kill Osama bin Laden in Pakistan. So they're both getting together again, and that's real, isn't that true? That's not a joke, that's not a lie. So they're both going to get together on the campaign trail. Because you know when India and Pakistan, India separated after their independence, because India was Hindustan, then what the land was separated into? Hindustan and Pakistan. And then they separated into East Pakistan and West Pakistan. Borders and separation. So Mr. Obama bin Biden, okay, Obama and Biden, they're going to get together, right? And you would have heard that Obama is going to be on the campaign trail with bin Laden. Biden. The names are so close there, wow. They're going to be on the campaign trail because they're scared that Trump makes America another Pakistan. Or he puts up his border, and if Trump puts his borders, like you had borders, Hindustan, Pakistan, East Pakistan, West Pakistan, what do you think Trump will change the name of America to? Trumpistan. Then you have a problem. So Obama bin Biden, they want to make sure we don't change America. If Trump goes back for 4 years, you're going to be having the borders go up and the walls go up, and from America it will be Trumpistan. So these are some of the kind of things we need to understand. Very interesting that happens in politics. But that's just my political joke, but it has some little depth of wisdom into it. It's for thinkers. Aql mandiyon ke liye ishara kafi hai.